If you've been thinking about moving to Colorado, but you aren't sure about the snow, well, this video is for you. I'm Margaret Herdt with Turnkey Realty here in Northern Colorado. This is winter in Loveland, where everything turns into a snowy wonderland, at least one day anyway. A typical storm brings a few inches, sometimes a foot, sometimes more, sometimes just a skiff. Most of the snow melts in a few days, thanks to the Colorado sunshine, which is usually around 365 days a year. Our snow season runs from October through April. Today is our first snowstorm, so of the season anyway, and today is December 3rd, so it just depends on the year when our first snow starts. We just happen to be kind of lucky that it's, in my opinion, that it's later in the year, not in October. So 7 months really seems like it's a lot, but a lot of that time, it just snows in the mountains. It doesn't snow here in on the Loveland corridor. So that really makes a difference if you're thinking about Northern Colorado versus the mountains. And March is usually the snowiest month. Snow makes Loveland a peaceful, quiet, and stunningly beautiful. Living in a four-season city means constant change and fresh beauty. This is Loveland in winter, but like I said earlier, this will be gone tomorrow, or maybe 2 days, because just of the amount of sun that we get. It's not sunny right now, but give it time. Tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny, so this will probably all be gone. Beautiful, serene, and home. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. I'm here helping you make smart decisions in real estate in Northern Colorado. If you want more information, please see my information below, and my next video will be out soon.